Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today's video we are going to be unboxing another Stitch Fix box. There wasn't as much Christmas stuff as I was hoping in my last Stitch Fix box, so hopefully in this box we will have a little bit more of the Christmassy vibe. I'm going to have a bunch of information down below on what Stitch Fix is if you are new to it. I also will have a $25 off referral code in the description box below for you if you would like to try Stitch Fix out and save a little bit of money. As always, give me the thumbs up so that I know that you guys are continuing to enjoy these videos. And I upload makeup, fashion, and lifestyle videos every Monday and Friday, so don't forget to subscribe if you love videos like this and you'd like to see more. This one is actually a lot smaller than our previous box. Here we have our shipping label in case we want to send some items back. I'm going to put that over here. And we are looking for our card next. Here it is. This has the note from our stylist and all of the price information. So we leave this over here until the end of the video. I don't know, you guys, this box looks very neutral. Very different from my previous box. First, I'll just give you a hint. It's black and it's very lacy. So this is from the brand Lulu's. Definitely heard of that brand. A size medium, Pure Genius sheer lace top. Okay, so this is almost like a crop top. This would be really cute with like a high-waisted pants or high-waisted skirt. It does have short sleeves, but that's okay. I could definitely get away with wearing this if I wear like a really comfy coat or something. This feels like very good quality. It has a little bit of a keyhole in the back. Lace is my weakness. I love lace. Ooh, so okay, I was just seeing this and it looks like it's gonna be like that see-through sweetheart. I don't know if you can see that, but it's gonna be like the sweetheart cut neckline. So excited to try that on. Yay! Alright, so that is the first item. Let's move on. Next we have, ooh. Oh wow. This is a Market and Spruce Sharon Thumbhole Cotton Blend Pullover in Olive. Oh my goodness, I love this color. Okay, so this feels really nice and soft and very, very comfy. This is a very Christmassy color. This makes up for the non-Christmassiness in my previous box. And one thing, it has holes in the sleeves for me to put my thumb through. I have always loved stuff like that. I don't know why. It feels nice and stretchy. The quality of this is just so good. Fun Christmas item right here. I can't wait to try that on. I hope it's not expensive. Is this a dress? Oh no, it's not a dress. Okay. This is from the brand Fortune and Ivy. It's a dark plaid cardigan. It has pockets? Yes, it has the pockets. A Pacha printed duster cardigan in dark gray medium. This looks really nice. This could be very Christmassy too. If I wear it with like a bright red mini skirt or something, that's very cute. And it feels like it's going to be nice and warm. All of these feel really, they all feel like really good quality. I'm really happy. Please, please let these be mom jeans. Please. I have been asking my stylist to give me high-waisted mom jeans, and I really hope that this is it. I really do, because I love the wash of these jeans. Okay. These are high-rise ankle skinny jeans. This might be very close to what I've been wanting, so I'm not disappointed yet. Oh, yes, it has a little bit of the distress in the jeans. This is size 10. It's from the brand Cut from the Cloth. Ooh, I'm so excited about these. These look really nice. last item in our box before we go try everything on. Ooh, wow. Okay. This feels so soft. Oh my word. It's a beautiful rust color. It's got a little bit of like that purplish brown shade. And oh my goodness, this is so soft. And it's from that brand 41 Hawthorne. So you guys, this has to be expensive. This is going to be so expensive. This is a size large. And it is the Bowie Faux Suede Knit Dress in Burgundy. Oh my goodness. I mean, the quality. Now that we have unboxed my entire Stitch Fix, I'm going to also open this package. This is from the company Woolen Bloom. They asked me to review this cardigan for them, so that is what I'm going to do in this video. We're going to see if this is good quality. Oh my goodness. Ow, I just shocked myself. So this is in the color Dark Camel, and I got a size small. This looks really nice. And I mean, Dark Camel is definitely my color. Oh, I am so excited to try this on. This looks really nice. I think I'm gonna go do a photo shoot with this. Yay! I'm excited to try this on. I will leave all the information on this sweater in the description box for you as well if you are interested in purchasing this. In fact, everything in this video, all the clothes, I'm gonna link them in the description box if I can find them. I'll let you know exactly what I got in this box. All right, so now that I have unboxed everything, I'm going to go meet you in my living room. All right, so here is the dress, and oh my goodness, you guys, this is such a beautiful piece of clothing. I love this dress. I really think that I might go ahead and get this. I mean, it hits my curves, all of my curves, just right. It's almost like a velvet fabric. I'm not even wearing any shapewear with this, and I feel like it just sits on me so pretty. And it's really hard to find stuff like this. These boots I got from the Red Dress Boutique. I can link them in the description box if you guys are interested. Zipper goes all the way up, and I was able to get it zippered. One thing that I'm really liking about this dress is the length of it. This is such a comfortable dress, and I think that's part of what is drawing me in. I don't feel like I have to be adjusting myself. I don't feel like I need to fix anything with the dress. It lays on me perfectly. So that's huge. That does not happen very often to me. I know Paul will love this dress. I actually showed it to him just a minute ago, and he was like, ooh, you're getting that, right? I think I might go ahead and keep this dress. I know it's gonna be so expensive, but I mean, if it is, I can understand why, because this is such a soft dress. And it's so comfortable. All right, so here we have the jeans, the mom jeans. I really like these. I was looking for something a little bit more like a loose fit though. I do like how these look on me though. These are really comfortable. I have a feeling these are gonna be really expensive. I like how it has the little detailed rip right here. It's just very subtle and simple, but it's very complimentary. And then here's a sweater that I paired with it. And look at the little thumb holes. That's so cute. And then this is almost like a, I don't want to say waffle knit, but it kind of is. So yeah, I'm kind of really liking this outfit. Look at this cowl neck. Really, really comfortable. I am all about my comfort. I love how it pairs with this red lip too. Should I or should I not? I'm going to try and give my stylist an update on the exact qualities I'm wanting in my mom jeans, because I feel like I want them a little bit more high-waisted and I want them a little bit of a looser fit, but they're not exactly what I'm looking for, and Stitch Fix has amazing jeans, so I'm going to give them another chance. So yeah, that's the deal with the sweater and the pants. I'm going to go try on our next outfit, and I think you guys are going to really like this one. Oh my goodness, you guys. Look at that detail. That is simply just gorgeous. How classy is that? I would wear this outfit to a party. It literally hits me perfectly. Like, look at that. It's not too short, not too long. Look at that. It's so romantic. Like, this is something I need to wear on a date with Paul. There you go. That's the idea of the back. I'm assuming this is in like the 40s, 50s. Just by feeling it, it's very comfortable. It's not a stiff shirt. It bends to your figure. I love where the sleeve hits too. Usually I'm not very fond of sleeves like that. I would like it if it was long sleeve though. Can you imagine those sleeves like all the way down to my wrist with that lace detail. I mean, I wish. I have so many occasions coming up that I could definitely wear this outfit. So yeah, I'm definitely wanting to keep this shirt. Out of anything that I've gotten in this box, this shirt, oh my goodness, I am keeping this. Okay, so here I just grabbed the cardigan that we got, and I just pair it with the jeans again, and then I'm just wearing some gold flats and just like a simple tank top, and oh my goodness, I love this outfit. I love the feeling of this. It's very soft. The gray is so pretty. I love how it's folded up on the sleeve. Fortune and Ivy is the brand. I love this plaid. Okay, I'm actually liking this a lot more than I thought I was going to. Why does this always happen to me? I love where it hits me too. Like, this is a very, very comfy, I want to be home, but I'm going to dress up a little bit. The struggle of loving everything that I'm getting in my Stitch Fix box. And the pocket situation, that is a must-have for me if I'm going to be wearing something at home. I think I would buy this cardigan over the green sweater. Yes, I know, I'm wearing a cute little hat, and I'm wearing the sweater now, and I wanted to show you guys. I am so happy. I love this sweater, and this is my favorite dress, and now I can wear it as a fall and winter item. So this is the cardigan. I love how long it is. It is short sleeve, so I can't really wear it that much in the winter. But with this sweater, so happy. This is a classic winter outfit for me. Very impressed with this. I love that the pockets come all the way down here. These little clogs. Big, comfy sweater with a cute dress and a little hat. And that is all of my outfits. I don't know why, but I am so obsessed with hats right now. Like, I love this. This is actually from my friend Hannah. Well, she didn't get it for me, but I got the inspiration from her. She has like a Instagram account with like all these adorable outfits, and she finds like affordable stuff. So I got this hat. I was inspired to get this hat from her, so I will link her Instagram down below. But now it is time to go check out all of our prices. The fun part. So I will meet you back in my studio. It is time to look at the prices. But before we do that, let's look at the note from our stylist. I really think I got Rachel again. Yep, we got Rachel. I hope this fix finds you well and that you have been enjoying the holiday season. I noted that you were looking for items to wear to upcoming Christmas festivities, so I started with this 41 Hawthorne dress. This piece can easily be styled up or down with heels or booties. Wear it with a bold pair of earrings or a long necklace. For a pair of high-waisted mom jeans, I included this cut from the cloth pair for you to try. Style these with this cozy market and spruce sweater and a fun pair of booties or white sneakers. Happy styling. Cheers, Rachel. Very sweet note from my stylist, along with all of our styling cards right here. I have procrastinated long enough on this now. Okay. First, we have cut from the cloth poppy high-rise distressed jeans. These are $88. I don't know, you guys. I know I say this every time. I don't know. I don't know. I have been on the look for mom jeans for a while now. For me, a price like that honestly would be worth it because it's just so difficult for me to find stuff that fits me right. We will see. I don't know if I can afford that price tag right now though. Good quality jeans in general are just getting so expensive these days. The Pure Genius sheer lace top in black. Ooh. So this is actually a really decent price. I'm shocked. This is $49. I know that's still pricey, but this is actually a very good quality item, and I do have a weakness for black lace, so we might give this a try, we might not, we shall see. I'll definitely talk with you guys in the comments below. I can't wait to see what you guys have to say about this box. Alright, so next we have the Fortune and Ivy Fortune and Ivy Petra printed duster cardigan in dark gray. This is $54, and that is very reasonable for a cardigan like this. I mean, this feels like good quality. It's a staple. It's something I would wear. I'm very surprised with this price as well. I think that is a very reasonable price for this cardigan. So next we have the 41 Hawthorne Bowie faux suede knit dress in burgundy. And this is $78. I'm not gonna lie, I'm shocked. I thought this was gonna be like $120. Wow. I'm really surprised. I really thought that this was gonna be like at least $100. Should I? Oh my goodness, I'm having such a war right now. I'll let you guys know, this is gonna be really hard for me to decide what to keep in this box. Anyway, stay on that forever. I think that's the first time I've gotten a dress too. I mean, in my Stitch Fix boxes. The last item that we have here is the Market and Spruce Sharon Thumbhole cotton sweater, and this is $78. I was not expecting that. I mean, it's really good quality, but I wasn't expecting it to be $78. That's $80. I don't think this is an $80 sweater. I think it's more in the $60 range. So this is one item that I think is a little bit overpriced. I mean, everything in this box is a little bit overpriced, but I will say the quality is beautiful. I'm pulling my hair. I definitely cannot keep everything in this box because I'm looking at the final price right now and oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Before I read the final price tag, I just want to say really quick that I really do feel like the more that you stick with your Stitch Fix, the better it gets. I've definitely had a couple that I did not feel like were in my style at all, but I feel like if you stick with it and you take the quizzes that they offer on Stitch Fix, I think as Rachel gets to know me, she really is able to decide what things will fit me. She has been able to find some amazing clothing items and they have been worn so many times already in my closet. If you are trying Stitch Fix out and you're getting discouraged with your styles and stuff, make sure that you're taking those shuffle quizzes on the website. So if you're patient and you give them the time to figure out your style, I really think that Stitch Fix is so worth it. That is why I keep on going with it. I have been getting amazing staples in my closet, and my goal this year is to have less clothes but more quality. Alright, so my Stylist pick subtotal, $347. Subtract that 25% discount if I buy everything, so that's minus $86.75. The order subtotal would be $260.25. My promo or other credit would subtract $25. So the order total would be $235.25. Yes, that is very expensive, but you're getting so many quality staples in this box. Like, oh my goodness. I'll let you guys know in the comments below if I decide to keep everything, but I'd love to hear what you guys have to say about this one. I think that this is a really good unboxing and I'm really excited about my next box. So I'm glad I was able to sneak in another box for you guys so you guys can get an idea of what I am getting in my boxes. If there's something that you liked and that you would love it in one of your Stitch Fix boxes, I'll make sure that I label everything in the description box below for you. And that is the end of this video. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's a little bit of a surprise, extra Stitch Fix unboxing, but it was fun. Give me a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed this video and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye!